if number of A is 50, number of A intersection B is 40, and the number of A union B is equal to 75, then we are required to find the number of B. So first of all, we are going to write the formula. Number of A union B, number of A union B equals to number of A equals to number of A equals to number of A plus number of B plus number of B. Then take away the number of A intersection B. So that is our formula. Now let us do data substitution. Remember, number of A we have it is 50. Number of A intersection B we have it is 40. Number of A union B we have it is 75. So we require to find the number of B. So we let us do data substitution. So number of A union B is 75. We write 75 here equals to number of A. Do we have? Yes, we have, and it is 50. So we write 50. Number of B is the one we are looking for. So it is just going to remain as number of B in the brackets as usual. Then number of A intersection B, it is given in the question, which is 40. So we are going to write 40 here. And then we start performing our arithmetics. So we are going to find that on the left hand side, 75 remain as it is. 75 equals to 50 plus number of B minus 40. So when we take the numbers alone, 50 minus 40 is 10. So it will be 10 plus number of B plus number of B plus number of B, and then so let us transfer this 10 on the left hand side. It is positive. When it comes here, it is going to be negative. So then we are going to have 75 take away 10. 75 take away 10 equals to number of B. Equals to number of B. Equals to number of B. So 75 minus 10 is 65. 65 equals to number of B. So number of B, we have already solved it. Number of B is 65, and this is the answer for this particular question. Thank you.